updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the wildcard. If you see here, there's a wildcard in India is representing from this database, and if I use the four character is the Y, it mean this start with like this, then it's representing the Canada. If you can see the Canada is appearing here. So let's begin with how we can use the wildcard in Excel. So now I would like to say there's the three types of wildcard we are using: asterisk, question mark, and tilde. Asterisk is representing as a all, and question mark is representing for the single characters, and tilde is escape characters. Mean you can escape the character till which you want to find from the database. Let's begin the example. Here I put it some types of queries which we need to find from this database, and these types of query which we found from the XLOOKUP or COUNTIF, and we can use from the many of the function. So now begin with the XLOOKUP. So first means end with F. So it mean if we found anything which we end with the F, the result will appear here. So now uh, for F, if we return the single F, this cannot be found. But if we return with the start with asterisk, now the result would be like India. Now you can see here the India. The star end is F, and all the characters starting from this consider as a asterisk, or you can say all. So now India is representing here. So now the another query is fourth character is Y. So it means, as I told you, the question mark is representing as a single character. So now begin with the 1, 2, 3, and Y is the character which end with at the 4. Now asterisk end up any of the character post Y. So now enter is you can see the Canada fourth character 1, 2, 3, and fourth character is Y, and post that any number types of character can be appear. And now begin with the third one, the end with M, but fifth character is T. It mean 1, 2, 3, 4. T is then post anything. Tilde is escape character. Post T is any of the character can be appear, but post that the all the character would be escaped, as I told you, tilde will use like this, and post that end with M. So now entered, you can see South Africa is appear here from the database. Now you can see where the South Africa is there 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth character is T, and at the end of M, right? In the similar way you can use like they start with Q. So start with Q is Q start and post at any of the character. Now you can see Australia begin with the Q and end any of the character, right? In a similar way, we can use the COUNTIF. So simple, I have used the COUNTIF function, and similar you can see that I just use a simple lookup, X lookup you can say, and now you can see where the I'm searching the find cell with exactly 5 character words starting with A. Is mean any starting with any before this A, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see 2. Now you can see here the 2 character actor and apple, but not include aunt, because this is not including the 5 characters, right? So in a similar way we can use the count cell that contain tagged with sale. So it mean any string which contains sale, this will represent like this. Now you can see 3 characters: salesman, sales target, and pre-sale. So anywhere is written as the sale, it will treat as the contain in from the string. So now you can see from the starting asterisk and last asterisk will represent as all. Anywhere you is they found the sales, the result will appear here. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much.